Welcome to Pluralsight and this cybersecurity tools course featuring Hashcat, the open source tool developed and maintained by Jens Stoiber. Hashcat is the #1 offline password cracker used by Red Team members and penetration testers. If you want to learn how to use Hashcat to crack passwords with different password cracking techniques, then this course is for you. First, I will show you how to launch a dictionary attack using Hashcat. Next, I will demonstrate how you can crack more passwords when you launch a dictionary attack with a rule. After that, I will demonstrate a dictionary attack with a mask, also known as a hybrid attack. And this attack will help you crack even more passwords. What's more, I will show you how you can use Hashcat to crack password-protected PDF and docx files. What you will see primarily in this course are demos and step-by-step instructions, because this course is a part of the Red Team Tools path. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn about Hashcat and password cracking with the Credential Access with Hashcat course at Pluralsight.